How important your roofs. For every homeowner, roofs are the foundation of your home. Why? This serves as their protection against all natural elements brought by our nature. In Boise, there are 3 seasons you experience: summer, rain, and winter. These all 3 climates are challenging the roof's integrity. The roof blocks all these elements and protects you and your family from all kinds of risks. They also serve as the best insulator to keep your house warm during the cold season and cool during summer. The roof is the most essential feature of the house. And these are some reasons why it is important to maintain your roof. Without the roofer who provides quality services, the roofs cannot maintain their durability and purpose. To give you the best solution to your roof problem, contact us immediately to get your free inspection and estimates. We are open to all roof projects and can ensure that we can give you the best result. Customer satisfaction is our main goal when providing our services to our clients and customers. Benefits of hiring roofing contractors. DIY is fun. But doing roof projects by yourself is not something you should do alone. There are several reasons why hiring roofing contractors is an important part of your roof project. Safety assurance is the number priority when doing construction. The reason why you want your roof to maintain is because of the safety of your family. Repairing a roof is crucial and risky. It is not something a homeowner should do. Hiring roofing will ensure that everything is done correctly and error-free. Roof repairs are required to be done by skilled and professionals. The lack of training and expertise might result in an accident and mishap. Aside from that, roofers provide an excellent result. We all know that roof repairs or replacement is not cheap. Roof projects are expensive, especially if you decided to replace the entire roof. It's best to hire a professional to give the best result and pays back your money's worth. If you're looking for a professional who can handle minor roof fixes or repairs and major roof replacement and installment, you can count on our team to handle your project. Our team offers a free consultation, estimates, and inspection without an obligation to hire us.